Oh, every morning we rise with purpose in our hearts, to lift up every family, to help them make a start. Through every trial, every dream you pursue, our home's mission lives in us, and we give our all for you.
With compassion as our guide, we'll walk this road with care. Together we find strength in every step we share.
Ihoma Healthcare, we stand with you. With assistive technology, we'll make dreams come true. Through community integration, together